Right, so I'll be going over number 6 from the target round. And here we go. So equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle omega. Point D lies on the minor arc of BC of omega such that AD equals 13. Point E lies on segment AD such that BE equals 5 and BD also equals 5. Line BE intersects omega at point F, distinct from B. Compute the square of the area of triangle DEF. So first, let's draw a diagram. So we'd have a circle, and we have an equilateral triangle that is inscribed in the circle. And then we have a point D on arc BC, and we're given that AD is equal to 13. So let's just underline that. And point E lies on segment AD such that BE equals 5. So we know that's 5. And we know that BD is also 5. So that means that there's an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle, and these two angles would have to be the same. And we can figure out that this angle is 60 degrees since it subtends an arc that's 1/3 of the circle. So that means that it would be, so this is a 120 degree arc. So that means that this angle would be half of that, which is 60 degrees. And so we know that's 60 degrees. And we know that this is also 60 degrees. And then that would mean that this triangle BED is an equilateral triangle. So we know that ED is also 5. And since we know ED is 5, and that means that AE would be 13 minus 5, which is 8. And then what we can do is we can notice that this angle is vertical to that angle. So that means that that's also 60 degrees. And similarly, since this angle here, AFB, also subtends or that 120 degree arc, that means that this angle is also 60 degrees since it's half of the arc it intersects. So this is also an equilateral triangle since we know that two of the angles are 60 degrees. So that means that the other two sides are also 8. And now the question is asking us to find the square of the area of DEF. So we know that we know two sides and the angle in between, since this would be 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees. Then what we can use is the formula that the area is equal to 1/2 times side 1. Let's just call that 8. And times side 2, which is 5, and then times the sine of the angle in between. So times the sine of 120 degrees. And now all that's left to do is calculate this expression. And when we do that, we have 1/2 of 8 times 5 is 20, and 20 times sine of 120 is the same as the sine of 60, which is the square root of 3 divided by 2. And so that means that our area is equal to 10 square root 3. And remember that the question is asking for the square of the area. So our answer would be 300. All right. So that's how you solve this question.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.